The Criticality K. Effective interactive calculator determines neutron multiplication factors and reactor criticality parameters for nuclear engineering applications. Let's explore the calculator interface. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include Calculate K effective from 6-factor formula, Calculate eta, neutrons per absorption, Estimate critical mass for a bare sphere, Calculate material buckling from K infinity, Calculate reactivity from K effective, and Calculate reactor period from reactivity. For this demonstration, we'll use Calculate K effective from 6-factor formula. Now enter your input parameters. We'll use eta of 2.07, fast fission factor of 1.030, resonance escape probability of 0.875, thermal utilization factor of 0.720, fast non-leakage of 0.950, and thermal non-leakage of 0.980. After clicking Calculate, the system returns several critical outputs. Our K infinity equals 1.3432, indicating infinite medium multiplication. The K effective equals 1.2505, showing significant supercriticality with neutron leakage considered. Reactivity RHO measures 0.2346, equivalent to 2034.6 ppm. The status message confirms the system is highly supercritical. Immediate action required, indicating dangerous positive reactivity, requiring immediate control rod insertion or shutdown. This calculator provides essential real-time criticality assessment for reactor safety analysis. Find the link in the description below.